Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video I will also show you how to fix black and white grayscale screen on your iPhone. Don't forget friends, before starting our video, please put a like. Also, please write your comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Well friends, let us get started. First, you will need to go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit and go to the Accessibility section. Next, you'll need to scroll down a little bit as well and find the Display section. In Display, also swipe down and select Color Filters. If you have color filters connected, you may have black and white screen connected as well. In order for you to disable this kind of black and white screen here, you can just swipe down to maybe some other color filters if you're happy with those. You can also change the slider at the bottom, like change the contrast of your screen. Or you can just go ahead and turn off the color filters completely. That way, as you can see, they'll switch you to the standard color mode and your screen will no longer be black and white or gray. That's how very quickly and easily any of you can fix black and white grayscale screen on iPhone. Don't forget, friends, to subscribe to this channel and also put your likes and bye-bye to everyone.